This fun soap is a no-waste, 100% natural soap, and I call this Nature's Cosmos because it is all natural with natural colorants and essential oils. It is already wrapped in biodegradable shrink wrap, so it's all ready to go, an extra layer of sustainability right there. So this one I made last after I made my natural soaps, and I use all little bits. So if you look at my No Waste Galaxy soap, I always end up with little scraps of soap. I don't throw anything away. I try to save them and use them in another batch of soap. So what I did this time, instead of rolling those each into balls, I used my extruder and I did stars and little planets and big planets, and then I have a little bit of confetti in there too. And each bar is completely different, so it's really fun. And I did go ahead and fragrance the base of it. This has activated charcoal in it. Usually I don't on the no waste ones, but I decided to go ahead and do it this time. It smells so good, and it's kind of funny because this was a kind of an accident where I had a little bit of a bunch of different ones left over since, and I'm like, you know, we'll just blend them together and see what happens, and it actually worked. So this is a blend of lavender, Litsea, if I'm saying that right. It's a kind of a citrus, spearmint, lime, and bergamot, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. So let's go ahead and cut over to the video of me making this soap.